We've got a lot to talk about, so let's get ready to go. So everybody, welcome to the Johnny Baseball Show.
Welcome all to a very special episode of the Johnny Baseball Show where I have a hockey stick now. Today, we're going to talk about computer science. Because I'm taking this computer science class taught by Mark Martin, and oh boy is it fun. Here are our state standards and what we've learned this year.
1.
See, this right here is a rare breed known as a ginger, and its name is Hayden Bronner. So what are you here to talk with us today, Mr. Bronner?
Algorithms.
Algorithms, and what are algorithms?
Sequences used in everyday life to solve problems.
Really? Why don't you give us an example?
Like say you're making chocolate milk. You put milk in a cup, you put the chocolate stuff in a cup, boom, chocolate milk.
Oh, so it's like there's this input that goes through a little sequence, and out comes an output.
Yes.
So how's this used in computing?
Like say you're gonna type anything on a computer. When you hit one of those buttons, it goes through an algorithm to show up on the screen.
Huh. So algorithms happen everywhere all the time.
Yes.
Interesting. Cut. Oh, hey man, what's going on?
Oh, hey, what's up?
So, I know you know a lot about jobs. So are you experienced with the IT field?
I am.
All right, so what are some good jobs in the IT field?
See, there's many things like cybersecurity, DevOps, SecOps, software engineer, web developer.
So, are these jobs, do they require a good knowledge of computers for the most part?
They do.
Yeah. There's something that I've been wondering about for a while. What are professional societies?
Professional societies set you apart from others, and they give you an advantage on going and getting recruited as a job.
Huh. Very good. Very nice. All right, we can work with that. Hey, Jabe.
Howdy.
So what are number systems? I've heard there's 3 number systems. What are they?
Yeah, you got decimal, you got binary, and you got hexadecimal.
Oh, what's the decimal number system?
It's 0 to 10.
0 to 10. Is that just the normal number system we use in everyday life?
Yeah, practically.
What's the binary number system?
It's zeros and ones.
And is that used just to tell computers what to do?
Yeah,
And what's the hexadecimal number system?
16.
16. And I assume that's just to make binary quite a bit easier?
Yeah.
Huh. And all these number systems are used to tell computers what to do?
Yeah.
Holy
Pretty much.
crap.
Where's Johnny Baseball?
I don't know.
So hopefully somebody.
What's going on?
You washed your hands, right?
No comment. Anyway, I'm here to talk about logic gates. What are logic gates?
Logic gate is a device that acts as a building block for digital circuits, and they perform basic logical functions that are fundamental to digital circuits.
Really?
Yes, and there's actually 3 types, and, or, and not.
Jabe, you look like you're pretty knowledgeable on this topic. What's a NOT gate?
Well, a NOT gate, or also known as an inverter, will take its input and invert its output.
So it can turn a 0 into a 1 and a 1 into a 0?
Yes.
Evan, what's an AND gate?
An AND gate requires 2 positive outputs for the output to be positive.
Okay then. So does that mean that an OR gate only requires one of the values to be positive in order to receive a positive
Yes.
output? Huh.
Back to you, Hayden.
Make it a marker.
1.
All right, Jabe. Go along! Oh, howdy, Mr. Bronner.
Hey.
So, let's talk about the history of computers, why don't we? Give us a little cliff notes.
Computers were designed to solve basic problems, but weren't very good at it at first. But as time moved on, they became more advanced with the first computer called the UNIVAC. Throughout the years, Microsoft and Apple started pushing their own computers. In 1985, Microsoft Windows was launched, and Microsoft and Apple continued to be the leaders of computers to this day.
Now, Bronner, I know I've been playing dumb this whole time, but I actually do know a little bit about computers. So I'll say this. The first multi-platform computer was something called Linux, and it was a good hardware software. we can keep this. That was used across multiple platforms. And then Apple started launching their Macintosh line of computers, which still happen today, but they're just called Macs now. And then Apple launched the iPhone, and now computers can fit in our pockets. It's insane, the kind of stuff that can happen. We're using that take. I don't get it.
And so this concludes
The
Johnny Baseball Show.
And guys, we are better than Joe Rogan. Alright, this right here is a ginger, and his name is Hayden Bronner. So, Mr. Bronner, what are you here to talk with us today?
algorithms.
Algorithms. So what are algorithms?
Algorithms is sequences that are used in everyday life, no matter what you're doing.
Really? Give us an example.
What are you guys doing down here? You're filming? Am I in it? Just kidding.
That'll be in the
Take that.
blooper reel at the end.
Pause it.
Wood.
This is a rare breed known as a ginger, and his name is Hayden Bronner. So what are you here to talk to us?
Wood.
See, this right here is a rare breed known as a ginger. Stop it, Jimmy! Piece of crap! Here, we keep going. Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey, John.
That's a little too loud.
2, 1.
Oh, hey, what's up, man?
Maybe you shouldn't do that.
I got it. All right, Jake, you ready?